All right, so for those of you who are on independent study right now, make sure that you are continuing with the weekly homework each week that you're out, and making sure that you are doing the activities here in the classwork. Make sure that these are all completed for the time that you are off. And then also, I want you to keep up with our math and our benchmark right now. So let's start off with benchmark. If you go on to the MyCNUSD page, click here on Benchmark Universe, it will open you up to benchmark. You will see here assignments. Click on assignments. And it's these top two. So Unit 4, Week 1 presentation. If you go here to open, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. There are things for you to do in this packet, okay? Go ahead and click here and watch the video. Oops, sorry. Don't worry about that page, but up here you will see Cinderella's Very Bad Day. So there is going to be questions here, key events and summary. So in paragraph what are you going to, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, what key events can you summarize? Same thing here. After reading the diary entry of the Cinderella's Very Bad Day and a short play Cinderella, Too Much for Words, write an essay in which you compare your point of view to the story. So you can just write this on a piece of paper and send it to me on Class Dojo. Answer these three several questions. So if you go here to the toolbox, there is a text box one right here, this text. You can click on it and you can come over here and you can type your answers. Okay, so again, it's this toolbox. You got to make sure, sometimes maybe the wrench is hidden. You got to click on the wrench and you come here to the T and you click on the T and you can change the font color too. So right now it's red, so you can make sure that you see it. So go ahead and continue on. This is for this week's activities. Again, up here, it will tell you, trying to go to the next one, there's some cursive practice. So right up here, it tells you what story it is for, okay? And the story can be found, the magazine that we work out of for all this is right here, Unit 4, Compare and Contrast. You're gonna open this and then you will find the stories. Okay, so you're gonna open to Cinderella's Very Bad Day, and then you're also going to read Cinderella's Too Much for Words, and then you're gonna compare and contrast that, and then write an essay on that. And then also, if you go under here to pre-K to 5th grade, click on that. You're gonna scroll all the way down to the P's. It's gonna be Pearson, Savas, Easy. When you click on this, I only uploaded it, for some reason it uploaded it into the homework section of our Google Classroom. So click on this side, you're gonna see a little tab, you have to click on that. And it's going to bring you up to this next page. It's gonna have a bunch of Google Classroom sites. So here are all the, and you can view all too. So here are what the activities we're working on right now this week, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, and 8.5. And I will continue uploading those. I don't know what happened to the other ones. Wonder if they got placed in a different one. Nope. Okay. So for now, there is some activities. So you're going to click on 8.2, for example. I'll upload 8.1 right now. You're going to click on here and do the review. It loads for a second. Okay, and at any time, so here are some tools for you, okay? So if you need to input a text box, you're gonna use this little T. If you need to like bubble in, oops, not your signature, sorry. If you need to highlight and bubble in, so I'm gonna, for example, let's say that the answer is A. You can just kind of make a little X. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So just kind of bubble in the answer like that so I can see your answer. If you need to write something like right here, how many more, you're gonna go to the toolbox right here, and you're gonna come here and tell me the answer, okay? So again, the tool that you're gonna use probably most often is this drawing one and the text box. When you're all done with that, then you come up here and you press turn in. Oh no, sorry. Don't turn in all until you come over here, and then you're gonna do 8-2 from the top, and all the assignments are up here for you. And when you're done with all of the assignments, then you will go to turn in all. So again, this one's just a little animation. This explains the lesson for you. Then you have some practice, and then you have a quick check. So once you're all done with all of those, you'll come in and turn them all in. And so you have several of those for this week, along with your homework assignments, making sure that we're reading as often as we can. Alrighty, let me know if you have any questions.